let's talk latches and tabs. So for your mini books or your mini albums or anything else you want to put a latch or a tab on. So this collection comes with 5 different tabs. Decorate how you want and put on whatever you'd like. And then you've got latches. You've got 3 different decorative ones. So we've got a rounded edge, stitched layer on the inside, just a square stitched layer on the inside, and then I did a little scallop one with a scallop on the inside as well. And yep, it is not stitched on the inside. So 2 stitched, 1 not. And then that is 3/4 inch wide by 4 3/4 inch. So it's long enough to go definitely around a 4x4 book. And then if you do a little bit of a mini book as well. And then this little piece, what I did is it's a simple little rectangle, but the goal of it is if you're going to put this on the back side of your book and then come around like that, then it can be glued wherever you like so your latch can fold into it. If you choose not to do something like a Velcro or a magnet. So let's take a look at some of the books that we've got to share with you because they are certainly a lot of fun. This one, little 4x4 book, I glued it on the outside and then I came around and I actually put a little decorative piece on the inside because I hid the magnet underneath the colored piece right here. And then I hid the other magnet on the cover. It's right about here, as you can hear the snap right there. There we go, right there. Whoops. There we go. So there is our little piece right there. And then, but you could certainly put this little guy right here in case you wanted to create a little latch right there. So here is your latch, but if you wanted to seal the latch. And then flipping through this book on our Z fold, I put a little tab on there. So you can fold that out, look at whatever side that you want to, and then fold that guy right back inside. So that is our scalloped latch and then our little decorative tab. And then on this guy, I just have the rectangle. So I put it on the outside because I wanted it decorative. I wanted to see the whole entire thing. But you can certainly put it in underneath the decorative top piece to hide it if you would like to. And then I hid the magnet underneath the blue star right here and the corresponding magnet underneath the red star right there. And I did not put any tabs in this guy, but I think it'd be fun to be putting some tabs up top onto the side, just making it quite a bit of fun. So there is your magnet right there and your straight latch. So you guys enjoy making your tabs and latches.